guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've done this kind of glowy, basically my go-to look for the last few days. I really like it, and I just thought I would kind of, let you guys know how I do it. So I've also provided 4 lip options with this look, so if you want to stay tuned for that, just keep on watching the video. And as usual, like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on my Instagram at spbeauty. It'll be in the bio, and I'll probably put it somewhere here too. But yeah, let's just get into the video. Bye guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeliner. I already have my base done. My base is the same from my natural no makeup video, so if you want to see how I did my base, you could just go ahead and watch that video. So I'm taking the NYX Vinyl eyeliner, and I'm just lining my eyes as I would normally. I'm not doing anything too dramatic. I usually like to just line my eyes very close to my lash line. I'm not doing anything too crazy, so that's what I'm doing. And I may look calm, but I swear I was shaking. Like, I was just like, I was panicking because, like, I don't know, I was like, oh, what if I mess up and stuff like that. And yeah, but I think I managed to do it pretty well. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting on my eyeliner on one eye, and then I'm also just going on the other one. I don't know, but I think my left eye is bigger than my right eye, so I do go a little bit thicker on my left eye so that the eyeliner can be seen, obviously. So yeah, that's just something that I noticed. Honestly, if you guys have the same thing, let me know. I know that the human body isn't proportional, so I'm pretty sure that I'm correct. So now I'm going to be setting my face with my NYX setting spray, but here I kind of forgot that I'm going to apply my blush. So I'm taking my Tardy blush and I'm just putting it all over the cheeks. And yeah, I pretty much put blush everywhere. I don't know what to add some color to my face, and then I'm setting that with my NYX setting spray, just pretty much all over my face. And I'm just trying that with my hand. The reason I set my face first is because all the products are too powdery, so I highlight and then set my face like that. That way the highlight is sparkly and not terribly patchy, which is what I discovered. So I'm taking my Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit, and I'm going in with the color Moonstone, which is my favorite highlight. And I'm starting out with just by smiling, and I'm starting out where my natural smile, kind of like the apples in my cheeks. And I'm going a little up, just with a brush. I think it's just a blending brush. I like it better to apply highlighter than a fan brush. It's just my preference. And I'm going under my eyebrow, and of course just touching it up and connecting my eyebrow to my cheeks. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just repeating the same thing on the other cheek, and connecting it again with my brush. options, I'm just applying my lip balm.